You might want to change how you interact with your screen through the tablet. In this case, make sure you are in the preferences and select the pen that you are using, and then you can click on mapping. Now under mapping, you can see that we have two different modes. We have pen and mouse mode. This is something I've already talked about. The pen mode is when we have an absolute positioning, and the mouse is when we have a relative positioning. So if I switch to this, I always have to move the pen right and left to be able to move it in a different position. While if I have it in the pen, I can lift my pen from the tablet, and wherever I place it over the tablet, it will appear in that absolute position. So that's an interesting option that you can also change here. And you can also change the tablet and screen area. So for example, if you only want to use a portion of your tablet area, you can set it up here. And you can customize which area. Let's just say you prefer not to work on the bottom and on the right side of the area. You prefer to work here on the top left. Then you can click on OK. And now it's already set to that, so the whole screen area is assigned to only that part of the tablet. So if I go over the bottom part of the tablet, I won't be able to use this, only the selected area. I can go back to full very quickly and easily. There's a very interesting option as well, the force proportions, which means my tablet will adjust exactly to the aspect ratio of my screen. This can be useful when you use several monitors. Let's say you have two screens and you want to force the proportions for that. Especially in that case, it will be useful to have this option on. And just like with the tablet area, we can change the screen area as well. In this case, it's full, but we can have a portion. And if we have more screens available, we can also select which one we want to use the tablet with. And last but not least, we have the orientation here as well under mapping, where we can choose whether we want to use the tablet as a right-handed person or a left-handed. For left-handed people, you should choose the express keys right, and then just change the cable on from one side to the other. And in that case, you will have the express keys on the right, which means you will hold the pen in your left hand.